If you're looking for a great snack at Disney Springs, look no further than the Daily Poutine right beside the World of Disney. It is a twist on your classic poutine dishes. Here is a look at the different ones that they offer based on different cuisines. They're all $10.49 plus tax. They also have alcoholic beverages, this bourbon orange punch, and a Canadian apple slushy, which we have heard is the best drink at the poutine stand. And we got the loaded frites, which is French fries, queso blanco, iceberg lettuce, pico de gallo, bacon, and garlic ranch dressing. And then we also got the Italian poutine, which is French fries, mozzarella, pecorino romano, and turkey bolognese sauce. These are two of the best poutines that we've ever had on Walt Disney World property. So if you are in the area and you love poutine, make sure to check out the Daily Poutine.